It's already built, kind of. What happened? Well, I started the series off. It was going to be Kursk, but I changed my mind. So all those videos were like no good, so I had to completely restart, and that was already when I was to this point. I did get some time lapses, so you'll guys see that in this video. But this is just me explaining what has happened so far. So it's like, yeah, it's confusing, but yeah. So this is what I got so far. In the video, I'll be doing some unboxings and stuff, time lapses on how I got this far. But so far, the vehicles I have are 2 half-tracks, SD KFZ's 251, probably, I don't know, and then, I have this foxhole here, and then that foxhole there, and then some trees. I'm gonna have to be ordering, sorry, how was that? I didn't have a track off for this. I'm gonna have to be ordering more white plates. Definitely more 1x2s, because I'm gonna be using a lot of those to get this like snowy look. Angled pieces, and definitely more the leaf pieces. So yeah. The next week is going to bring a, well, I don't know about next week. Next episode, don't know when that's going to be. I'm going to be building a Panther, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Time lapses and unboxings. Stay tuned, guys. Get some goldfish, goldfish, and some Oreos. Germany. Get that. It took a really long time to be here, but it's definitely well worth the wait. So here's the contents. Really neat. We got 50 white torsos, and these are just going to be for Germans, but I'm not going to be using them in the Battle of Kursk. This is 100 Russians. We're going to be using quite a bit amount of these in the mock. And then I don't know how many track this is. Probably, I think 500. 500 of these track, and this is going to be used on the mock. Most likely all of it. And then just some other things that I got for restock. 50 swords. 50 shields. I think this is just a parts order. Oh. Okay, that's it. That's all the parts. This is for German half-track. I'm going to be building 2 SDKF Z 250s or 251s. I can't remember the model. I'll have to look back at it. But yeah, here's all the pieces. Well, this is one of them. I got, I think, 1 or 2 more coming in for all the parts. So that'll be it. For this one came from Germany. Right into it. Right. Okay. There it all is. I hate when people have it like this, but we got, I don't know how many of these. We got a bunch of hand legs. These are all for the figures. That's great too. Sorry about that, guys. Here's everything. We got some heads. So that's another order. Yeah, another step closer to getting the figs done. Next time I'll be, well, I still gotta order more legs, and then I'll be shipping out the torsos to get printed. So stay tuned.